Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can remove your Google account from your device. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, open up the settings menu on your phone. Once the settings menu opens up on your phone, scroll down and find this accounts and sync option on that menu and then click on it, which will lead you to another page. Now on this page, scroll down and find this Google option and click on it. Once you click on the Google option, you'll be guided to another page where there will be shown the Google accounts which are synced or logged in to your device. Now choose the account you want to remove by clicking on it, which will guide you to another page, and on this page there will be a more option on the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click on it and then simply click on this remove account option and then confirm it by clicking on the remove account option again. As you can see on my screen that Gmail account has been removed from my device. I hope this video helped you to remove your Google account from your device. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.